Okay, so we're going to have a look at question 12 here before I move on to doing some questions on our own. So I've got x squared minus x minus 20 is equal to 0. Okay, actually that's 1x squared minus x minus 20 equals 0. So we're going to use the guide number method to factorize this first. So 1 times 20 gives me 20 as our guide number. And we look at the factor pairs of 20. 1 by 20, 2 by 10, and 4 by 5. Now we need one set of these factor pairs to add or subtract to give minus 1x. And that's going to work out to be plus 4 minus 5 equals minus 1 using the 4 and the 5. Okay? And you can see that plus 4 multiplied by minus 5 will give the minus 20. So I know that's going to be correct. So I'm going to rewrite my equation as x squared plus 4x minus 5x minus 20 is equal to 0. So again, you can see the minus 1x has just been rewritten now using 4x minus 5x. And now I'm going to look at the first two terms here, and I'm going to find the highest common factor, which is x outside of x plus 4. And then I'm going to look at the second two terms here now. Between minus 5x and minus 20, 5 is a common factor. But if I take 5 outside, I'll be left with minus x minus 4 inside. So instead of taking 5, I'm going to take minus 5, and that will leave me with x plus 4 inside. Because minus 5 by x will give minus 5x, minus 5 by 4 will give me minus 20. Now you can see that I have the common factor in this term and this term as x plus 4, so I can take the common factor outside times x minus 5 is equal to 0. This will allow me to solve now, just like we did back in question 1. I have two brackets multiplying to give 0, so two possible solutions. X plus 4 equals 0, so x equals minus 4, and x minus 5 equals 0, so x is equal to 5.